Hello everybody, Turtle Monkey here. Well, today, I don't know how new these locks are, but it's a new one from Master Lock. At least a new I haven't seen before. I was at one of my favorite stores, browsing around, and I always go check their lock department, and saw it. I was like, hey, I don't have one of those. I wonder how neat it is. And it had extra cut. At least that's what it stands for. EX series. I was thinking it was going to be something awesome, security pins, all this awesome alien technology maybe in there. No. I wasted my money. At least I can waste my money so you don't have to. Now, what does EX mean? Yeah, it means extra cut. What that means, I have no damn idea. The key looks similar to any other Master Lock. This is a 1D lock from Master Lock. So if you have a 1D, it's the same as this one. EX just means you have to pay a little bit extra, I guess. I don't know. But it is a silly, easy lock to pick. So here we go. Let's get it. We'll just do it in my hand, and then we'll vice it up and talk about it. See what else damage we can do to this stupid thing. It is nothing fancy, so yeah, ridiculously easy to pick. Like, I don't know what EX is supposed to mean, but it just means extra easy to get into, maybe. Who knows? So let me zoom out a little bit right here. We'll vice this puppy up and see what other damage we can do to it. I'm using Bob the Keyway, even though I enjoy it sometimes. Depends on the lock, really. Okay, I think it's only a 4-pinner. Okay, there's 1, 2. Come on, we'll just biatch pick it. Picked it first, faster than the first time in my hand. There it went. There she blows. Come on. Yep, there it went. Obviously, it is super easy to pick, so don't waste your money. Don't spend the extra series money on a lock that ain't worth it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, stay picked.